basketball, liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, bigla ang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bila. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi
A very good afternoon mga ka-Velvet. Welcome back to the ball game. We are now on our 4th day of our Velvet South Basketball Battle of the training camps and ball clubs. Once again, this is your official gamecaster for today. My name is Chard Umali and I will be joining you guys for the rest of the day today. And we can now see ang bakbakan sa ating last game for our 14 under division. We have AC Clean and MGBJ4 Energy Wizards. And to start our first quarter or our ball game, we have GC number 5 Belgica on the line shooting his free throws and he gets that second one para dito sa AC Clean. And we have a steal by GC number 8. Matatawagan dito ng traveling. Corpus. Masyadong malakas ang pasa nitong si Corpus. Jersey number 3 gives the ball to jersey number 41. And here comes Mendoza. Mendoza on the letter finds Albitos. Corpus on the letter finds jersey number 27 to Sunico. Jersey number 15 to jersey number 13 fires. And it's good. Para dito kay Ramintas. Gamino to jersey number 16 to Villasin. Yes, sir. Corpus on the leather. Gives the ball to Magno. To Ramintas fires a 3. Binalik kay Ramintas ang bola and he is blocked. Villasin. Umatake and he gets that basket. We would like to welcome everyone to our Velvet South Basketball Battle of the training camps and ball clubs. Siyempre, this will not be possible without our sponsors and partners sa pangunarian ng AG Sports Apparel by Mr. AG Cabanse. We also have Brotherhood Barbershop by Mr. Kevin Eson. Pangatlo riyan ang JEJ Auto Care. And we also have A Plus Recovery. And of course, our official production partner, our official media partner, is Velvet Media Productions by Cap JJ Maghirang. Corpus on the letter. 5 seconds to shoot para dito kay Corpus. At matatawagan dito ng 24-second shot clock violation ang Energy Wizards. Easy Clean is on the run. Official score as of now is 9-2 as we approach our 6 minutes and 40 seconds mark for our first quarter. Albitos on the letter. To jersey number 41. Binalik kay Albitos. Villasin loses that ball. Magno. To Corpus. Finds jersey number 16, Beher. Loses that ball. Here comes jersey number 16, Albitos. To Mendoza. Corpus with a steal. Corpus. Mapipituhan dito. Jersey number 16. Sorry, there's no whistle on that one. Sorry, mapipituhan doon. Jersey number 16, Albitos. First personal foul. And first team foul para sa mga naka-asul. Corpus on the line para dito sa Energy Wizards. He misses his first one. And Albitos setting up the play. Magno natapikan. And the ball will stay very clean. Sorry, that's not Vilyasin, just jersey number 5. Jump ball, same ball. Mananatili sa easy clean ang bola. Here comes Albitos with a letter. Finds Mendoza. Nakita si Vilyasin. To Albitos. And a steal. Para dito kay Magno. Magno lays it up. And it's good. Mapapatawag dito ng timeout si Coach Sonny. Sorry, Coach Allen. With our official score is 9-5.
Crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga ala.
And we are back to the ball game after that timeout mula dito sa Easy Clean. Albitos on the letter. Albitos finds Mendoza. Mendoza lays it up, no good. Mababawi ni Mendoza to jersey number 24. That's Lopez to Belgica. And it's good para dito kay jersey number 5 kay Belgica. Magno finds Corpus, binala kay Magno ang bola. Here comes jersey number 66. That's Oracion. Matatapikan ni Oracion. Si Mendoza mababawi. And we have a whistle. Foul on jersey number 66, Oracion. That will be his first personal foul and second team foul para dito sa Energy Wizards. Albitos on the letter. Finds Vilyasin, binalik kay Albitos. Albitos, ibabato kay Lopez. And matatawagan dito ng backcourt violation ang mga naka-asul. And that's a turnover for the Wizards. Kaya mapupunta dito sa easy clean ang bola. Here comes Albitos. Ibigay kay jersey number 23, but we have a steal by Ramos. Ramos to jersey number 10. Ibinigay kay Beher. Beher umatake. And he gets that basket. Albitos. Line ball. Kalupig 2. Miliana to Rashon Spence. And he gets that basket. Lopez to Egamino. Ibigay kay Abitos. We now are approaching our 2 minutes and 25 seconds mark para dito sa ating first quarter. Albitos finds Lopez. And they're in trouble. Matatapikan dito ni Beher. Mapipituhan dito ng 24-second shot clock violation. Itong easy clean. That's another turnover para dito sa mga bata ng easy. Here comes Miliana to Kalupig. Back to Miliana. Defines Beher. Kalupig. Ibinalik kay Beher ang bola. Kalupig 2. Orasyon. No good. At mapipituhan muli dito si Marco Orasyon. That will be his second personal foul and 13th foul. Kaya naman ipapahinga dito ni Coach Yusef itong si Mark. And he will deploy Sarsha inside. Egamino. And here's a steal by Ramos. Couldn't make that one. Antillado. Antillado finds Egamino. Imigay kay jersey number 11 Mendoza. Lays it up. But we have a foul. Foul on 11. That's Mendoza for his first personal foul and second team foul para dito sa easy clean. Official score is still 13-9. And may mapipituhan dito ng traveling mula sa mga Wizards. Mendoza to Belgica. Belgica dumiretso. Antillado. His block. Dito kay Behera. Big block. Mula sa the Wizards big man. Mr. Ari Beher. Comes Lopez to Belgica. Belgica lays it up. That's too strong. Here comes Santiago. And a steal by Sarsha. Sarsha loses that ball. Pero mananatili sa mga nakaberde ang ball possession. Sarsha, Beher, umatake, that's short. Belgica. To Mendoza, to Lopez. Lopez with 10 seconds on the shot clock. No good, makukuha ni Egamino. Back to Mendoza. Ibinigay kay Belgica. Antillado is there. And he makes that one. Miliena. to jersey number 11. That's Ramos with a victory. And that's it para dito sa ating first quarter. Official score is 13-12 in favor of Easy Clean.
Give your best, teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet
And we are back to the ball game para dito sa second quarter bakbakan sa pagitan ng MGBJ4 Energy Wizards at nitong Easy Clean. And to start our second quarter for the Wizards, we have Beher, Meliena, Kalupig, Sarsha, and jersey number 11, Ramos. And para naman dito sa Easy Clean, we have Mendoza, Antiado, that's jersey number 2, Lontok, Albitos, and jersey number 23. Sorry, that's Mendoza, Antiado, Albitos. I couldn't see the other one. Villasis and Egamino. Ang dito sa pito ang kalamangan ng Easy Clean to start the second quarter. Let's see how Coach Yusef and his team will answer, and eventually how they are planning to get the lead from Easy Clean. Here comes Sarsha, which is number 24. Essential. That's no good. I mean, a steal. Egamino to Mendoza. Mendoza finds Villasin. And that's good para dito kay jersey number 3, Juris Martin Villasin. Ramos will try a 3, no good. Rebound mapipunta dito kay Antiado. He gives the ball to Albitos. Albitos finds Villasin. Villasin is blocked. Itong si Beher. Vicencio Dumerecho. Vicencio lays it up, no good. Kalupig on the follow-up is good. Egamino finds Albitos. Albitos Villasin, and he will be fouled. Mapipituhan dito jersey number 11, Ramos. That will be his first personal foul and first team foul. Both teams will redeploy some players inside. Belgica is back inside para dito sa Easy Clean. Mendoza to Albitos. Matatapikan dito ni Ramos, but Easy Clean only has 3 seconds on the shot clock. Mendoza will launch a 3. And that's no good. Kaya naman mapipituhan na 24-second shot clock violation. itong easy clean. Ramos on the letter. Finds jersey number 33. That's Castillo. Ramos attacks, no good. Biliasin. Mendoza on that letter. To Belgica, that's too strong. Makukuha dito ni jersey number 81, Palay. Palay. To Ramos. Ramos to Castillo. That's too strong. Albitos, humanap ng butas. Nakita si Villasin and he gets that basket. May kasama pang foul. Mapipituhan dito jersey number 16, Beher. That will be his first personal foul and second team foul para dito sa mga nakaberde. And he gets that bonus throw to make that a 10-point lead para dito sa easy clean. And still by Belgica, pero mababawi dito ni jersey number 15, Magno, and Ramirez launches and gets that basket. Villasin. Here comes jersey number 16, Albitos. To Egamino, launches a three, and he gets a big three-pointer brought to you by jersey number 41, Ethan Joseph Egamino. Palay sasagot, no good. Rebound will go to Belgica. Matatapik dito ni Magno. And a steal by Albitos. Albitos on the letter, no good. Makukuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza to Albitos. Mendoza lays it up. Passes the ball to Belgica. That's too strong. Here comes Corpus. Being deployed back inside by Coach Yusef. Binalik kay Corpus. Magno on the letter. Magno is blocked. Mapupunta na sa easy clean ang bola. That's jersey number 24 with the latest point para dito sa easy clean. That's Lopez. Vicencio fires a three. No good, but Oracion is there to follow up, pero wala pa rin. Makukuha dito ni 23, Antiado. Mananatili ang bola sa easy clean. Pero that's an 8-second violation, I think. It's an 8 seconds shot clock violation para dito sa easy clean. Kaya naman, bola mapupunta dito sa MGBJ4. And a timeout will be called by Coach Yusef para dito sa MGBJ4 Energy Wizards.
Matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola 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 is life. Dapat bola 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 is life. Dapat bola 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 is life. Dapat bola 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 is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
And we are back dito sa ating ball game after that timeout by Coach Yusef. Oracion makes that basket fresh from the timeout, and a block by Magno. Magno lays it up, no good. Vicencio on the rebound, and he gets that basket. A good answer there right after that timeout by Coach Yusef. Albitos, no good. Makuha ni Vicencio. Albitos. And Antiado couldn't make that basket. Antiado again. He gets that basket. Make a sum pang foul. Mapipituhan dito jersey number 24, Vicencio. That will be his first personal foul. 13 foul para dito sa MGBJ4. And Antiado gets that bonus throw. Magno to Corpus, lays it up. No good. Belgic on that big rebound. Maharangan dito ni Oracion. And we're now at a 12-point lead para dito sa Easy Clean. Sa Easy Clean. Albito. Sorry, that's Lopez. Lopez lays it up. No good. Belgica is there. Belgica sumalaksak. No good. Belgica pa rin on the rebound. May mapipituhan dito. Mapipituhan jersey number 13, Ramintas. That will be his second personal foul and a warning for penalty on the side of the Wizards. Albitos maglalabas, finds Belgica to Antiado. Back-to-back points by jersey number 23, Jelon Antiado. Corpus to Ramintas. No good. Magno. Wala pa rin. Corpus. Mawawala na sa MGBJ ang bola. Comes Albitos. Albitos to Villasin is blocked by Ramintas. And Corpus will get that basket, or will get that ball. Who couldn't deliver. Yan naman Albitos to Antiado. Antiado to Villasin. Wala. Nakakuha ni Belgica. Belgica passes the ball to Albitos. Under 1 minute. And a double foul for Mendoza and Guerrero. For Mendoza, it's his second. And for Guerrero, I think it's his first personal foul. Mendoza to Albitos. Shot clock, it's at 10 seconds. Albitos, nakakita si Villasin, pumeke, and he gets that basket. bringing that lead up to 16. And he turned over in the side of the Wizards. Here comes Mendoza to Belgica. And we have a foul. Mapipituhan dito jersey number 11. Ramos on his second personal foul and a penalty para dito sa mga nakaberde. And on the free throw line, we have jersey number 5, Belgica. He misses his first one. And Gabe misses his second. Vilyasin is there on the follow-up. And it's good. Ramos umatake. And he gets that basket. Albitos on the leather. Albitos recovers. Couldn't get that basket. And that's the end of our second quarter. Official score is 38-22, 16-point lead para dito sa Easy Clean. And we will be back for our second half.
Bola bola is life, dapat bola 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 is life, dapat bola 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 is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinoble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na.
And we are back to the ball game and to start our third quarter. This is still a battle for our 14 under division. Actually, this will be our last game para dito sa ating 14 under division. And to start, let's just quick recap of our first half. Securing a big lead is Easy Clean with Antiado giving 11 points para dito sa kupunan ng Easy Clean, and he was really instrumental para ma-maintain itong Easy Clean, itong kalamangan nila against sa MGBJ4. And para naman dito sa MGBJ4, we have Ramos who contributed 5 points to somehow lessen that lead by Easy Clean. Speaking of Ramos, he launches at 3, but he misses 1. And to start, deployed for third quarter para sa kupunan dito ng Easy Clean, we have Egamino, Mendoza, Belgica, Albitos, and Antiado. Para naman sa Wizards, we have jersey number 22, Sunico. We have Magno. We have Beher, Ramos, and jersey number 27, Alinio. Tingnan natin kung paano yung magiging diskarte dito ng magkabilang kupunan sa Easy Clean para ma-maintain yung kanilang kalamangan. And para naman sa MGBJ4, kung paano nila susubukang habulin yung lamang dito ng Easy Clean, which is now up to 20. And we have to wait for that. We have to stay tuned para makita natin kung ano magiging diskarte ng magkabilang kupunan. We have Sunico sa ilalim is fouled. A foul will be whistled on jersey number 23. That's Santiago for his first personal foul and first team foul for Easy Clean. So Nico, it's another try on the free throw. And mga ka-Velvet, huwag kayong aalis or stay tuned dahil we still have a lot of games in store for you today. This is just our 4th game of the day. We still have 5 games, and right after this 14 under division matchup, we have our women's basketball division games. It's a battle between the Los Baños Lady Galleons and the JPD Garage women's basketball team. And right after our women's basketball matchup, we have 16 under division games. First on our line for 16 under division is MGBJ4, Energy Wizards, and San Antonio Bobcats. Right after that, we have LBDL Armstrong and Liceo Blue Lions. And our last game for our 16 under division will be SCBA Playoff versus Laguna Hope Dreamers. And our last game for the day is AG versus Creekside.
Ay nalandikdikan to, coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'.
And we are back to the ball game after the timeout. Here comes Belgica. Pass the ball to Antiado. Antiado may bibigay dito kay Magno ang bola. It is now down to 15 para dito sa mga naka-asul. Albitos. And Lopez will be fouled by jersey number 11, Ramos. I believe that's his third personal foul and first team foul para dito sa MGBJ. Ramos with a steal. Magno to Ramos and he is blocked. Behe recovers. Shot clock at 10. And that's a big three-pointer by jersey number 15. Cyrus Magno. And the lead is now down to 10. Remember mga kaya Velvet, that's the lead is up to 20 kanina. And now with that run, it's actually 10-0 run, I believe. Or 12-0. 10-0 run by the Wizards, bringing down the lead to just 10, 42-32. And we're approaching the 4-minute and 25-second mark of our third quarter. Ramos. And there's a foul on jersey number 41. That's Egamino. For his first personal foul and 13 foul para dito sa Easy Clean. And Ramos fires the three, no good. Makukuha na ni Belgica. To Villasin. Mendoza on the levy. Mendoza finds Egamino fix. Egamino finds Albitos to Belgica. That's 3 seconds to shoot. So Nico on that ball. May jump ball. At mananatili ang bola dito sa koponan ng Easy Clean. Belgica will lose the ball. Magno. And the score again by the Wizards. Lead is now down to 8. Albitos. Another jump ball. Ngayon naman mapupunta ang bola sa Energy Wizards. Kalupig to Magno to Kalupig. Finds Oracion. And may pito dito against jersey number 3, Villasin, for his first personal foul and a warning for penalty. Matatapikan dito pero mababawi ni Mendoza to Albitos. Albitos finds Villasin. with 5 seconds to shoot and a steal para dito kay Oracion. Here comes Kalupig and he is fouled. Foul on jersey number 16, Albitos. Second personal foul and a penalty on the side of Easy Clean. First shot is no good para dito kay Kalupig. Second shot still no good. Oracion on the rebound. Oracion wala pa rin. Makikita si Magno. Still no answer on the side of Easy Clean for this run by the Wizards. And Oracion gets that basket to make that lead down to 6. Egamino fires a 3 and finally an answer on that run. Actually, that's a 14-0 run para dito sa Wizards. A quick answer by Miliena. Lead is back to 9 para dito sa Easy Clean. Papahinga dito ni Coach Yusef. Etong si Magno and he will redeploy Vicencio inside. Villasin finds si Gamino. Ibinigay kay Mendoza. Here comes Belgica on the leather. Finds Villasin on the perimeter. No good. And Oracion, who was our best player of the game last week for the Wizards, is still giving some quality play para dito sa Wizards. Beher, that's a long 2 para dito kay Beher. We're now at our last 30 seconds and the lead of Easy Clean is down to 7. Mendoza finds Belgica. And Egamino tries that 3 but he misses. We have a foul on jersey number 16. Beher, that will be his second personal foul and second team foul for the Wizards. Egamino finds Villasin to Antiado and he gets that basket. And that's it para dito sa ating third quarter. With that run by MGVG4, the lead is now down to 9. It's 49-40 by Easy Clean.
Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
And welcome back to the ball game. This is the fourth and final quarter para dito sa tagisan ng galing between Easy Clean and MGBJ4 Energy Wizards. And being deployed here on the side of Easy Clean for the start of the fourth quarter, we have Egamino Mendoza, Albitos, Villasin and Antiado para naman dito sa kupunan ng MGBJ4 Energy Wizards. We have Vicencio, Castillo, Beher, Miliena, and Kalupig. And there's a whistle against Beher. That will send Villasin on the free throw line. Free shot is good for Villasin. Two for two para dito kay Villasin. Balik sa 13 ang kalamangan dito ng Easy Clean. And remember, mga ka-Velvet, the lead of Easy Clean is up 20 earlier on the start of that third quarter. But with that amazing run by the Wizards, they were able to cut that lead. And remember, meron tayong 14-0 run coming from the Wizards. And leading the Wizards was Magno with 7 points from start of the first quarter up to the third. And he really contributed to cut down the lead of Easy Clean. And para naman ma-maintain yung kalamangan doon ng Easy Clean, we have Villasin on the side of Easy Clean. We saw how Juris Martin Villasin played during that, actually during the whole game, first to third quarter, and how he contributed well on that lead of Easy Clean. And Velvet, take note, mga ka-Velvet, take note, this is the second game actually of Easy Clean for the day. They also had a game earlier this day, this morning actually, and this will be their second game of the day. And mapipituhan dito si Albitos ng 8 segundo. A chance for the Wizards to get some points. And para mabawasan muli ang kalamangan dito ng Easy Clean. Here comes Ramos with a 3, no good. Albitos, makukuha ni Villasis and he launches. And he gets that basket with a foul. A good sportsmanship there. .813 foul. And this is what I like about what we're doing here in Velvet. Since we are organizing these kinds of league, you can see the sportsmanship of the players as we have seen on that latest encounter with Villasin and Ramos. That's true sportsmanship on the side of both teams. And here comes Ramos with a steal. Ramos is blocked by Belgica. Another one. And may Tatawag dito ng timeout. Ang Energy Wizards, official score is 55-42 in favor of Easy Clean.
Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
And we are back to the ball game after that timeout. And fresh from that timeout is Castillo for 2. No good para dito kay Antiado. Mababawi dito ni Magno bola. Magno finds Sarsha. It's too strong. Castillo again. Back-to-back points para dito kay J. Anthony Castillo. Comes Mendoza to Alvitos, finds Antiado, fakes. Antiado is blocked by Beher. Mababawi dito ni Belgica. Babasa siya mang kalamangan dito ng Easy Clean. And Vilyasin couldn't get that leather, kaya mapipituhan dito ng 24-second shot clock violation ang Easy Clean. No good. It's Alanyo. Alinyo, sorry. Not Alanyo. Here comes jersey number 41, Egamino. On that answer, on that back-to-back basket by Castillo. Magno to Alinyo. Binalik kay Magno to Beher. Finds Alinyo, fix. Alinyo to Castillo once again. No good. Vilyasin on that rebound. At matatawagan dito ng traveling itong si Mendoza. And Coach Yusef, as we can see, is deploying Mark Oracion inside. At ipapahinga niya dito si Ari Beher. Alinyog couldn't get that basket, but Oracion and that powerful rebound. Still Oracion. And he finally gets that basket para dito sa Wizards. And he timeout for Easy Clean.
Kapag sumalaksak, lakat ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli, lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Excited po pagkabigay ni Boss AJ, sinurot ko na. And we are back after the timeout by Easy Clean. Matatawagan dito si Mark Oracion. Warning for penalty dito ang mga nakaberde. I just love how the players from both teams are showing sportsmanship whenever there's a foul. Agad na inaalalayan. For example, on that one, inaalalayan agad ng mga nakaberde yung na-foul si Alvitos. And the other side, nung may na-foul sa Wizards, players from Easy Clean are there para alalayan yung bumagsak from Wizards. Orasyon with a ball, masusundutan dito ni Mendoza. And Villasin couldn't get that basket. Jump ball. And the ball will remain on the side of Easy Clean. Belgica to Villasin is blocked. Mapipituhan dito, jersey number 33, Castillo. That's his first personal foul, and the Wizards are on the penalty. Villasin on the line, misses his first one. And mga ka-Velvet, as I've said, huwag kayong bibitaw because right after this ball game, we will witness another women's basketball matchup against BST women's basketball team and the Lady Galleons. The good Orasyon on that powerful rebound. Finds jersey number 3 to Alino. Pupukol ng 3. And no good. We're down to our last 3 minutes of the ball game. Played is just 9 para dito sa Easy Clean. Alvitos. And a steal by Orasyon to Magno. Lays it up and it's good para dito kay Magno. Mendoza on the leather. Finds Belgica. Ibinigay kay Alvitos. Alvitos setting up the play, taking his time, and he turned over on the side of Easy Clean. Magno on the leather, finds Sarsha. Out of bounds, ball will remain on the side of the Wizards. Lead is now down to 7, and a timeout by the Wizards. Ito, 57-50. $230. And we are back after that timeout by the Wizards. Alino naghanap na kampi. Finds Sarsha. Sarsha gives the ball to Orasyon. And mapipituan dito si Mark ng traveling. Mendoza on the leather. Mendoza being guarded by Alino. And we are now down to our last 2 minutes. Belgica will be fouled. That will be against Castillo. That will be his second personal foul, and we're on the penalty on the side of the Wizards. Belgica misses his first throw. And he gets his second one. Lead is now up to 8 for Easy Clean. Magno finds Beher. And Alino fires a 3. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. That's a jump ball. Ball will remain on the side of the Wizards. 14 on the shot clock. Alino finds Oracion with 10 seconds to shoot. Oracion spins. Oracion recovers the ball. Still no good. Magno. Wala pa rin. Albitos will finally get that ball. And a tap by Oracion. He is blocked. Magno gets that letter. Magno fires a 3. Wala. Oracion. Still no good para dito sa Wizards. Mendoza. And we're now down to our last minute of the ball game. Belgica to Egamino to Mendoza. Mendoza out of bounds. And a steal by Mendoza to Belgica. We're down to our last 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Albitos finds Belgica. And he gets that basket. Comes Oracion. Still no good. And Alino is down, but he gets up. Belgica, on the other hand, and that's the end of the ball game. 60-50, Easy Clean is our winner. And our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 3, Juris Martin Villasin.
Dapat halimaw, sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid, baka may umagaw Pasa mo sa gilid, titira ng tres. Walang sasabay, baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay.
Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa